Just settle in now to a comfortable position and begin to focus on your breathing. Close your eyes so you can relax more fully and really feel the breath as it rises and falls in your chest and abdomen. Begin to slow your breathing and make it deeper than you would normally breathe. Focus on breathing as if it's actually coming from the heart as you breathe in and out. Imagine now as you exhale, sending out any physical pain or tension and any emotions that may be troubling you. Just release them all with the breath. No one wants anything from you at this moment. No one needs anything. So just let it all go with the breath. All that matters in this moment is your breathing, focused in the here and now. Just breathing any tension out with the breath and relaxing, going deeper and deeper. As you breathe in, feel the tension releasing from your entire being as you begin even more calm and relaxed feelings, a more tranquil state of being. You might imagine showers of peace raining down on your whole body. And starting with your head, bring awareness to releasing and relaxing all the tension in your scalp, eyes, face, jaws, and neck. Feel the warm, relaxing shower of peace, relaxing your shoulders, your neck, and arms. Now focus the warm, glowing shower of light, warm energy, sending relaxation all the way down your spine, your back, and abdomen. Feeling engulfed in complete peace and serenity now, releasing anything that no longer serves or benefits you out of your body with the tranquil, deep breath. You feel light as a leaf blowing in the breeze. Your body feels open, light, and free. You are free. Feel the tension leaving your thighs, calves, and feet, and just flying out the toes. Your awareness and focus has become easier now. You may even perceive things or sense things with more clarity. Your energy is more vibrant, yet tranquil, more alive. Deeper and deeper peace and relaxation comes over you. Coming back to the focus on breathing with your heart. You feel the heart breath as you breathe in, and the heart breath as you breathe out. You feel your heart vibrating and resonating with loving energy. Your entire mind, heart, and being emanates and radiates love. The breath you breathe now is love. Deeper and deeper love shines from you, from your entire energy body, pulsing and radiating love. You are loved, and you are loving. Now think for a moment if there is a fearful thought that has been troubling you for a time. What is it? Just let it float into your awareness without going deep into the thoughts or feelings. Just allow yourself to be aware of the fearful thought as you continue to focus on breathing through your heart and sending out the intensity of any fear out with the breath. You may feel other emotions surface along with the fear, those emotions that came with the fearful experience or thoughts. Perhaps fear is linked with anger or self-incrimination or shame. Whatever the dual emotions are, let them come. Let them surface as you move them out of your body. If you feel intense emotion, know that your powerful breath can just cleanse them as you send them out with the breath. Now is the time to release the emotions in this calm and safe place. If you need to imagine whatever situation has caused your fear to have a different outcome, you can play that out in your mind right now. See yourself saying to someone you wish you could say it to what you really feel, what you really think. Express your full feelings, knowing that the mind and body are now releasing these feelings. If you need to, say you're sorry. Acknowledge the mistake. Imagine reconciliation with the other person. If you need to set a boundary and protect yourself, do it now in your mind with that person. Whatever kind of resolution that you need to create in your mind about your fears and the emotions that accompany them, do it now. That's right. You have suffered enough, and it's time to own your own power. Let go. You now accept and love yourself and fully forgive yourself. You are a good person. You are worthy of love. You are worthy of giving and receiving love. If you're not sure what you're afraid of, but just carry around a general sense of fear, anxiety, and foreboding, now is the time to discover what is behind that and release it. Your mind knows what it is. And now that the mind and body and heart are all connected, you can just let it surface, acknowledge it, and let it go. Finally, as memories or emotions float up into your consciousness, just continue to focus on your breathing through your heart. Let them come and let them go through your cleansing, healing breath. You can breathe through whatever comes up and just let it all go. You are safe here. You are supported here. You are strong and getting stronger and healthier every day. So just stay calm, keep breathing, acknowledge whatever comes up, and release it. If you have any negative self-talk arise in your mind, continue to repeat to yourself, I deeply love, accept, respect, and forgive myself. Again, I deeply love, accept, respect, and forgive myself. Now for a moment, just focus on the breathing again, gathering in strength and peace. You did it. You faced down and released your fears. You can continue to do this as often as you need to release any negative emotions. I'm going to become quiet now for a few moments so you can fully cleanse yourself of these fearful thoughts fully and finally. Feel the peace, calm, love, and support within you and around you. And if your mind wanders, just refocus on that loving breath of yours, coming in and out of your heart. That's right. You've got this. And now you can gently focus your attention on coming back to the here and now. You can slowly open your eyes and focus on how relaxed yet strong you feel. And now shift your attention to how your heart, mind, and body feel after this amazing, cleansing, meditative process. You are amazing. Go forward and claim your happiness.